Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Advanced Ears from mksenglish.com. I'm Mark, and today we are unlocking a new English grammar superpower. That's right. Today's power is the future perfect tense. The future perfect helps us talk about actions that will be completed in the future. So, this is the grammar for achievements, goals, deadlines, success, and future plans. And by the end of this episode, you will have mastered this powerful tense. Let's begin. So tell me about future perfect. Well, the future perfect uses will have plus the past participle. Now, if you remember, past participle is that third form of the verb eat, ate, eaten, third form, past participle. So for this grammar, an example would be I will have finished my project by Friday, right? This means right now the project is not finished, but before Friday arrives, the mission will be complete. Listen and repeat. I will have finished my project by Friday. Excellent. Today's power word, by. The word by is very important. It means before a certain time. For example, she will have arrived by 8 o'clock. So at 8 o'clock, she's already there. Once again, listen and repeat. She will have arrived by 8 o'clock. Great. So how do we use future perfect tense in real life? Well, imagine your future self. You are stronger, you are smarter, you have achieved your goals. You can say something like, I will have improved my English by next year. Let's listen and repeat that one. That's super important. I will have improved my English by next year. You want one more example? Sure, no problem. I will have completed 100 lessons by December. That's quite a lot. The lessons are not finished now, but the future you has completed the mission. The future perfect is super common at work. Let me give you some examples. Example 1. The team will have finished the report by Monday. If you want to shadow that, that's a great idea. Example number 2. The company will have launched the new product by next month. And lastly, example number 3. I will have prepared everything before the meeting. This grammar sounds organized and professional. Because this is advanced grammar, mistakes can happen. For example, many learners say, I will finish the work by tomorrow. This is okay, but the future perfect shows a completed future action. The correct way of saying this, well, at least to your boss, would be, I will have finished the work by tomorrow. The focus for this one is the job is complete. All right, so challenge round. I'm going to say a sentence starter, and I want you to complete it. Are you ready? Sentence number 1. If you want to go back and listen to these sentence starters a couple times to help you think of your answers, go right ahead. There's nothing wrong with that. But let's get started. Number 1. By next week, I will have. Good. Number 2. By the end of next year, I will have. Excellent. And lastly, number 3. By the time I go to sleep tonight, I will have. Well, this is not live. I work on the show a little bit, take a break, work on it, take a break. I'm kind of slow. But by the time I go to sleep tonight, I will have finished this episode. Great job, guys. So let's work on our output, okay? Output. Listen and repeat. I will have achieved my goals. Again, I will have achieved my goals. Fantastic work today. You unlocked the future perfect tense. Thanks for listening. And if you have any questions at all about this grammar or any other kind of advanced grammar, you can contact me at mksenglish.com. The future version of you is already waiting there. So keep learning, keep improving, and thank you for listening to this episode from mksenglish.com. See you next time. Bye.